So this potato, guys, as you can remember, for those who have been following me, this is a no dig no till. I just flapped the tomato seed on top of the soil and covered them with straw. So now if when you remove the straw, the potato are just, this is an overdue because I can see it all cracking. So the potato are just on top. Like, I don't really need to dig it with my, but I have a digging for just in case there's still potato under the ground, but most likely they're just on top of it, on the ground, on the soil. So it's very nice. So hopefully we get lots of potatoes. See, some are already like gonna start to rot because I might use this for seeds next year. So let's continue, and they're pretty good size, guys. As you can see, pretty good size. Oh. And lots of worm in here. I wanted to harvest this because, you know, like I said, some are already overdue. So a few of them are under the ground, so because maybe when they start to grow, the roots just start to go down, like, but pretty good. So good size. So, ooh, what's this? Something. I'm gonna put this in a bucket. I'm gonna separate the rotten one because I'm gonna maybe save those for seeds, potato seeds next year. And I might use this bed for my garlic this fall, to plant my garlic in here. So. But for sure I'm going to, ooh, slug. Oh, I don't like these mosquitoes. Gonna use to add more compost in here. Some are under the ground that, you know, you can just maneuver, but whew, really nice size. It's really relaxing to actually harvest potatoes. It's really nice. Look at that. How much we got just in that little row. That's a lot already, guys. Probably 3 meal there. So let's do fast forward this, and I'll show you how much we get.
Rats? Oh goodness. It's gotta be the rats. Is there a tunnel there?
But I saw a mound of dirt in here.
Those bastards.
See, it's chewed.
That means there's rat droppings in there. Well, you won't see it's in the dirt.
Okay, so it's all clean. Look how much we got, guys. A big, I don't know how big this container, like a pot. But what I'm excited about is this bed. It's clean and I'm gonna scratch it nicely. I'm gonna buy a compost. Might be a yard of compost that I need to buy because that also needs a top dressing compost. But for now, I'm gonna compost this and save this bed for my garlic this year because last year I planted the garlic and harvested this year. So this year I'm gonna flip this bed for different crops. So yeah, I'm excited. So I have another pile of good potatoes. So nice and clean, and those are all our potatoes that we just harvested. So the no-till, no-dig potatoes, it's worth, but I think next year we're not gonna do that again because of the rat problem that we have, unless my husband said get rid of the chicken, because either the rat or chicken. So I don't know, I have to think about it. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you all feel motivated. I hope you have a chance to go out in your garden and do some potting around in your yard or in your garden, or do some harvesting like me. Most of my tomatoes needs to be harvested, but for now I'm good. Oh, I'm all soaked and sweaty. Anyway, thank you guys so much. See you on my next video. Bye.